incorporate carbon infusion as well. The carbon atom of this fruit has two remaining bonds, that is aldehyde or alkyl or aryl substituent. If a diesel substituent has hydrogen, the compound is an aldehyde. If neither has a hydrogen, the compound is a ketone.
Now we're going to talk about the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. They are more polar than comparable alkanes due to the carbonyl group. They are also they cannot bond to each other, so lower boiling point than alcohol, but higher boiling point than alkene. They are good solvents for alcohols. They don't pair of electron and oxygen and accept a hydrogen bond from OH or NH. Acetone and acetaldehyde are both miscible in water, that means they make a homogeneous mixture. And also in solubility from 1 to 4 carbon atoms, they are soluble in water, but as the carbon chain increases, also the solubility decreases. Next.
Materials. The materials that we are going to use in this experiment are pure acetone, fire, dove, vanilla, nail polish, cinnamon, and water
Hielo seco.
We can find it in the acetone, in raspberry, vanilla, cinnamon, clove, olives, shampoo, and soap.
Now, there are some industries in the real life where we can use ketones and aldehydes, like medicine, food chemistry, and so on. Also, natural food additives, fragrance chemistry, and agricultural chemistry. So,
Alright, it's when we put the acetone here,
acetone.
and we put the polyester inside, it will dissolve and leave a mix.
Estás tapando el experimento.
I'm sorry.
Sin pelo todo. Se me hace que... Ah, ya vi. Y si lo dejas ahí, haces...
Okay, lo voy a dejar ahí. A ver, agárralo así. Yes, look at this. Now, in the meanwhile, I'm going to ask for one person to participate in your next Renato. Okay. We have here some aldehydes of natural light. We're going to ask Renato to describe the smell of the next components. Smell cinnamon, please.
Rena, vuelta la
How
cámara.
does it smell? It smells strong and also smell vanilla. Turn around so everyone.
Vuelta la cámara.
Delicious, right? Now smell clove.
Ay, me encanta el clavo.
They are all aldehydes, so they have a very characteristic smell. Now,
¿Ya se grabaron?
now we are going to remove the nail hole.
No, bueno, este mañana se me hace que su experimento... Ya se notó. Am I being positive?
Okay.
trajeron pinturas y yo venía
Si los utilizo fuego. Let's wait. Bueno, mientras vamos a probar. We're going to prove that acetone is flammable.
Ah, yo vale R.
haciendo las pintas, pero como
Pues eso, profe.
sé que sí, entonces que no era pura. Yo ahí tengo un
What is happening?
The polyester is dissolving in acetone, guys. Now we're going to prove it with the nail polish.
He's releasing the gas.
And the other thing that remains.
Releasing the gas.
And it's going to dissolve into some sort of a slimy thing.
Andrea, no te quiero.
Now with nail polish.
Be careful. Oh, yo quiero.
Ostras.
Now that's dissolving.
Se me hace que le tendieron la segunda pirata.
Okay, now we're going to prove it's flammable.
¿Me prestas el slide? Y ese grupo
Está innovador esto,
Ay, no, se les va a prender las cejas.
No, it's going to be just a little of acetone. So
Dicen que no es normal.
no se va a prender así fuerte.
it's flammable.
Y si la apagan. Tápalo, tápalo, tápalo. Tápalo con el botecito allá.
Se prendió.
Sí, tápalo. Tápalo. Ya. Wey.
I'm a mad scientist. It's so cool.
Prendan las velas.
El profe
Oh.
fui a entrar con Bonnie.
Es amor.
Nos morimos.
Nos morimos. Yo quiero. Agarro paso.
Very good. Nos copiaron la idea, no hacemos esto.
Siguiente
Inyectar. No, esa es la imagen. Uy, cállate, lo que te explican después de
Gracias, público, por no ser
¿Me puedo salir?
¡Sóplale, sóplale!
Esta sola
Ay,
¿Puedo tomar la foto?
¡Sóplale!
Después de tapar. Ahí va.
Mariana, no.
Güey, ya nos anda demorando esto.
ya, tápalo con el otro bote para que se apague.
Güey, ¿qué haces? Como es una vela, ¿no?
Profe, lo bienito.
No, no lo hagas, compa.
Profe, ya, apágalo.
Ey, es que se tiene que acabar la semana.
Ah.
No, pues ya va a durar ahí un buen rato.
Mira, Denis, si lo puedes hacer.
Cámara.